Hi! So this is a tutorial on how to put art in the frames that you purchase online at sohoframing.com. So first we're going to go through what you're going to get. So you're obviously going to get a frame. The frames come with glass and acid-free backing. It will have a hook on the back if it's up to 12 by 16. Over 12 by 16 it will have a wire. You will have these flexible pins that you'll be able to put your art in through that. There are two clear bonbons on the bottom. Those are that the frame won't scratch your walls. So you're going to put it on a flat surface. Obviously here at the shop I have a work table, but at your house you could probably use any flat surface table. I would put a towel on just not to scratch the frame. Then we're going to just go ahead and fold these 4 pins out. We're going to tilt the frame, take out the acid-free foam core, pick up the art. This is a 12 by 12 art by an artist called Dave Murray. He's a local Toronto artist. I don't know if you recognize this, Kim's Convenience. You like that TV show? I do. You're going to put it inside, and then we are going to take the acid-free foam core, put it back inside as well, and we're going to fold the pins back out. And there you go. It's all framed, ready to go on your wall. So just to let you know how to measure which size frame you like. So frames are measured from the inside of the frame. So this is a 12 by 12 print. So the inside of the frame is 12 by 12. Unless you're going to do a mat, and that's going to be in the next tutorial. Thank you so much and have a great day. SOHOFraming.com. Take care.